penalties that you could receive in Georgia for a felony drug charge can range all the way down to as low as 3 years, which doesn't sound that low, but believe me, it is compared to the other ones. The smallest possession, felony drug possession, is going to be a 1 to 3. Maximum of 3, minimum of 1. That means you could get 3 years on probation, you could get 3 years in prison. You could get as small a sentence as 1 year on probation. If you're charged with a larger amount of drugs than just 2 grams, let's say, you could be looking at up to 8 years for possession. If you're charged with possession with intent, then you're looking at 30 years in prison as a maximum sentence for possession with intent to distribute first offense. If it is your second offense, you are looking at 40 years or life imprisonment in Georgia for a possession with intent to distribute. If you are charged with a trafficking offense, you are most likely going to have a minimum sentence of at least 10 years in prison. There are 3 different kinds of trafficking. One of them is 10 years minimum, another one's 15 years minimum, and another one is 25 years minimum, depending on how much weight they're attributing to you. So you're looking at a vast, really all the way down from 1 year on probation to a life imprisonment sentence in Georgia is the possible range of sentence, depending on what you're charged with and what they're accused of possessing.